Hey, it's Brad with Splash Damage Tech, back at it with another quick unboxing. This time, I've got something a bit more utilitarian than usual, a router. Actually, it's not just a router, but a mesh Wi-Fi kit from Tenda. It's the Nova MW5. So let's get it out of the box. First up, we've got some paperwork from Tenda, including a quick start guide. Then we have the primary router node in a nice soft plastic packaging. It's a very compact unit with no external antennas or anything. It's very modern and simplistic, and actually it feels very light as well. On the front, there's a Nova logo and a very small LED. On the back, there's a reset pin, 2 Ethernet ports, both gigabit and the power input. On the bottom, there are just 2 mounting holes and some regulatory info, as well as a QR code, which is used to set up and pair the mesh nodes. Now, let's get one of the satellite nodes out of the packaging. On the front is that same Nova logo and LED. On the back are the AC plugs, and the bottom has a reset pin alongside a single 100 megabit Ethernet port. And notice that QR code here again. And these are very compact units. This Nova MW5 3-pack setup includes the single primary router node and 2 AC plug style satellite nodes. And now we have the primary node's AC adapter, followed finally by an Ethernet cable. That's all for this super short unboxing of the Tenda Nova MW5 Mesh Wi-Fi kit. If you found this useful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more about this mesh Wi-Fi setup. I've got some more unboxing and reviews coming up, but that's all for this one, so thanks for watching and have a great day.